तो ये क्या है? भगत सिंह। हाँ, अभी देखो स्पॉटलाइट होगा। सी आद्या, भगत सिंह।
या तो भगत सिंह को देखो।
वाह
वाह भगत सिंह, जय हिंद।
जय हिंद।
See, Mukul is also Bhagat Singh. Hi, Mukul.
भगत सिंह।
Same.
Happy Independence Day, Uncle.
Happy Independence Day.
He's a bit serious,
Hi,
Bhagat Singh.
Mukul. Same.
He's Bhagat Singh.
High five.
Mukul is Bhagat Singh. But I think this is hands down winner, huh? This is hands down winner.
I could able to do that.
Mustache.
चलिए मैं तो बेचारी
doesn't even know like we have done that.
हाँ, mustache banana is a very difficult. Look what he's doing to his face.
See, with my eyeliner, I did it.
हाँ.
See, Mukul also become Bhagat Singh.
अरे lifelong हम लोग काजल पेंसिल से.
How you pressed it?
हाँ. See how Mukul is dressed up.
भगत सिंह की बनाना तो खुद बना के लाइए भगत सिंह।
नीचे चला गया.
Mukul, tilt the cap a little bit. It should be tilted.
थोड़ा सा tilted.
Tilted.
काजल वो भी खरीद लेकर आइए।
Vande Mataram.
वंदे मातरम. Look at this face. यहाँ पे हमारा हेलो, आप क्या बने हो? गुड मॉर्निंग, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे. एंड व्हाट आर यू ड्रेस्ड एज? आपने किस चीज में ड्रेसिंग किया?
But you don't.
हाँ, रेखा जी बहुत सुंदर लग रही हैं. अक्षित क्या बना है?
अच्छे ये बना है.
नेहरू.
हाँ, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू.
हाँ, रुमाल से ही पता चल रहा है ना? तो अक्षित तुम पंडित नेहरू हो, सबको बोलना है आई एम पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. प्रैक्टिस करो बेटा, ठीक है? एंड ये देखो आरव भी आ गया. गुड मॉर्निंग आरव, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे. ओह वाओ, व्हाट अ लवली ड्रेस. व्हाट आर यू ड्रेस्ड एज?
अरे उधर देखिए. बोलो.
क्या गुड मॉर्निंग, आप क्या बने हो? व्हाट आर यू ड्रेस्ड एज? अरे वाह, फ्लैग भी लेके आया है. स्वामी जी ये क्या बन के आए हैं?
कौन?
कौन सा स्वतंत्रता सेनानी बने हो? Which Independence Day fighter are you?
हमें सिर्फ राजकन्या के लिए जीवन साथी नहीं, इस घर के लिए एक अच्छी हली प्यार करने वाले मिलजुल के रहने वाली बहुत चाहिए.
अच्छा, किसी के घर में ना टीवी ऑन है, ऑफ करना पड़ेगा. बहुत जोर से साउंड आ रहा है. छोटू भी तैयार है. हाँ, with flag and everything.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
Hi, ma'am.
इसको पाउडर दो करेगा.
We made our flag at home.
सॉरी, क्या बोले आप? अलका कुछ बोली ना.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Tanisha ma'am.
कौन बोला? अरे तनीषा आ गई. गुड मॉर्निंग तनीषा. दिख नहीं रही है तनीषा. क्या बनी हो? लाल बहादुर शास्त्री. दिखाओ तनीषा का वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा, सिर्फ हाफ फेस दिख रहा है. दिखाओ फुल ड्रेस दिखाओ सबको, दिखाओ क्या बनी हो।
बस ऐसे ही।
लेकिन आज का प्राइज एक ही जन को जाता है। हाँ, एवरीबडी एक्सेप्टिंग दिस, द प्राइज फॉर ड्रेसिंग अप टुडे गोज टू विधि। Alka, hats off to you. Hats off to you. Absolutely hats off to you. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much. This is how we create our children.
ये मम्मा है।
Kavin is also joining. Well, look at Kavin. Hello, Kavin. How are you? Oh, wow. What is he dressed up? What is he dressed as? Maulana?
No, Nehru.
Nehru. Okay. The cap is a little.
So we have rose for the evidence.
Yes. Evidence is rose. Yes, I'm so sorry. And I can see the yes. A little bit of the so we have 3 Nehrus today. है ना? Here I will show you one more Nehru. Anshika has joined. Hello, Anshika. Hello, Shravani.
Yeah, hi ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you? How is everything at home? Baz, look. Adya went and became Jhansi ki Rani. This is full on Jhansi ki Rani.
This is
Jhansi ki Rani.
Wow, so
Pictures lena, please pictures lena. हाँ, and everybody is dressed up so beautifully. Remember to take family pictures today. है ना अमित जी, आज फुल फैमिली पिक्चर होना चाहिए, काफी सारे। अच्छा, आपके अपने मेमोरीज के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा रहेगा। वाओ आद्या, नम्रता, you'll have to move that clip. make a knot and थोड़ा ऊपर से बांध दो आप, knot बना के। And यहाँ पे हमारी कश्मी ज्वाइन कर रही है। We have Kashvi joining. Hello Kashvi. Can we have your video? बाप रे गांधी जी, क्या तैयारी है? Let us have a look at गांधी जी. Hello गांधी जी. अरे वाह गांधी जी, क्यूटी पाई. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा। पिक्चर
नहीं होने के फायदे हो रहे हैं।
हाँ, with the hair and everything, it's looking perfect.
Yeah, with hair and all, it is looking perfect.
आज तो नमक बंद।
Whose glasses? Whose glasses?
It's a reading class.
हाँ?
Reading class.
Reading class. हाँ. अरे वाह, हाँ गांधी जी, yes. Please बैठिए आप। अबे गांधी जी महान आदमी आए। बेटा आप लोग भी बैठो, आप लोग भी पास में चेयर लगा के बैठो। कम सिट। हाँ, all parents please come settle down. Let us start the assembly. हाँ बाबा बोलो कश्वी। बापू बुलाएंगे। तो हम लोग देखते हैं आज क्या कौन आए हैं, देखें हम लोग। कश्वी आपको देखना है कौन आए हैं। चलो अक्षित से शुरू करते हैं। हाँ, अक्षित हैं हमारे। अक्षित आप बताओ, व्हाट आर यू ड्रेस्ड अप एज? बोलो, आई एम पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। So Akshit is dressed as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. And now let us have a look at Mukul. What is Mukul dressed as? Mukul gave अभी this is हाँ अभी hat perfect है हाँ, थोड़ा सा side करके। हाँ ठीक है perfect hat. Oh. Let's go to somebody else. We are now going to Kavin. We'll go to Kavin. Kavin is
Bhagat
dressed
Singh.
up as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Hello, Kavin. Cutie pie. Hello. Hi. Hi. Happy Independence Day. Wow, Jayashree. हाँ,
Happy
happy.
Independence Day, ma'am.
He's saying. हाँ, हाँ, हाँ. All right, good. And let us
Train
see
is going.
हाँ, train. Let us see Tanisha. Kashvi, ये देखो Tanisha क्या बनी है. Tanisha क्या बनी हो बताओ सबको. Tell everybody. What are you dressed up? हाँ, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Stand up and show your dress. We cannot see your dress.
मैंने बोला था खड़ी हो पहले जय जवान जय किसान
Yes, जय जवान जय किसान. Very good. बहुत स्मार्ट लग रही है. Very nice. And ये है हमारे आरव. कश्वी देखो. आरव आप क्या बने हो? Tell everybody what are you dressed as? आप भी बोलो.
प्रसाद बोलो आरव.
ओए लड्डू इतना शर्माओ नहीं. मम्मी गुदगुदी कर देगी.
राजेंद्र प्रसाद.
हाँ क्या?
राधा कृष्णा.
शबनम आप आके बता दो. वॉइस ब्रेक कर रहा है.
राधा कृष्णा.
पंडित राधा कृष्णा. ओके, दैट्स एक्सीलेंट. पंडित राधा कृष्णा. और कश्वी ये देखो हमारी आध्या क्या बनी है. राधा कृष्णा शर्माओ मत. तनीषा बोली ना. हाँ ठीक बोली तनीषा. राधा कृष्णा शर्माओ मत. तनीषा ने तुमको बोला है. अभी ये देखो हमारी आद्या बेबी क्या बनी है. हमारी झांसी की रानी. झांसी की रानी विद द बेबी इन द लैप. ये परफेक्ट है. हाँ परफेक्ट है. हाँ हाँ हाँ.
ये बच्चे को लेके कहाँ जा रहे हो? लड़ाई करने?
हाँ झांसी की रानी के पास बेबी था ना. बेबी को लेके लड़ाई करने गई थी. बड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. बुंदेले हर बोलोगे मुँह हमने सुनी कहानी थी.
आज तो सबका मतलब छुट्टा है यहाँ पे. अब
हाँ.
सबका पिटाई हो जाएगा. छुट्टी हो जाएगा.
अच्छा मैंने सब बच्चों को दिखा दिया. आद्या, wow, your sword is very nice. It's a lovely sword. Mummy will tie it to your waist. With a chunni she'll tie it to your waist. Holding it in hand will be difficult for you. Mummy will tie it to your waist. है ना? And let us see our pretty little Kashvi. Hello Kashvi. Look Adya, she's dressed up as Gandhi ji. हाँ कश्वी क्या बोलना है बताओ.
महात्मा गांधी जी.
हाँ very nice. अच्छा, have I shown all children? All children?
Everybody call me Bapu.
Bapu, we'll call you Bapu. Now Kashvi, I want to show you a surprise. Kashvi, shall I show you a surprise? You want to see a surprise? Vidhi baby. Vidhu. Look, who has come to Vidhi's house? Bhagat Singh has come to Vidhi's house. Who is this? Kashvi, Adya, who is this?
Adu, who is she?
Who is she?
Who is she?
Adya, who is she? Who is Bhagat Singh? Bhagat Singh.
Mami ji Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh mami.
हाँ, माँ भगत सिंह मामी. अरे बाप रे.
She was not ready, letting me get her ready, so I thought.
सही है, बिल्कुल सही है.
And anyway, Alka is the best student. Tanima मैम हमेशा बोलती है.
हाँ.
Now you proved.
proved completely. So आज का best costume goes to
But award तो मिलना चाहिए मैम.
हाँ award मिलना चाहिए. Award
She
मिलना
should get
चाहिए.
an award.
She should get an award. Why I will create a e-certificate for all children. Certificate will have Vidhi's name in it. हाँ, she's saying something. Butter कुछ बोल रही है.
Will buy.
Shall we start?
अफसर काम ही आ जाता है.
So nice to see all the children's dressed up. Now everybody is looking so cute.
Yes. Oh, Akshit, पापा कहाँ है? Where is Akshit daddy? And where is Bas जी? आद्या के मामा जी कहाँ गए? ये देखो कशी के डैडी भी आ गए हैं. आज कशी के डैडी भी आ गए हैं. For once he is on leave. He is not on work.
Independence.
Hi Nilesh ji, how are you? काफी दिनों बाद.
Hello ma'am, hello everyone. Happy Independence Day.
Yes, thank you so much.
Am I visible? Yes, yeah.
Independence Day.
If you can
Very
move, if you can
great
move your
to-
table a little, then the camera will catch all of you, all three of you.
Yes.
Vidhi, shall we start the assembly?
Yeah.
So this will be the video that will be shared today. Hello Kuldeep ji.
Hi, Happy News Day.
Happy Independence Day to you. बापू आप बैठे हो, बापू के पीछे भी एक देखो फ्लैग भी डाल दिया अभी. हेलो क्यूटी पाई बापू. हेलो क्यूटी पाई. मस्ती कर रही है. नहीं, don't bring the chair closer. नीलेश जी चेयर को पीछे ले जाओ. कैमरा में पूरा नहीं आ रहा है otherwise. हाँ ये देखो. हाँ. Yes, this is better. This is good. हाँ, cross your legs. अरे वाह, बिल्कुल बापू स्टाइल बैठो. अरे हमारी योगा मास्टर है, she can cross her legs properly. हाँ, great look. नीलेश जी आज बहुत सारा फोटो शूट होना चाहिए है ना इस आउटफिट में. It's a wonderful outfit. Everybody, there should be lot of photo shoot in the house. आद्या के घर पे तो बहुत होता है ना. दीपक जी का तो कैमरा शायद रेडी रहता है. नम्रता जी आपका भी रेडी रहता होगा.
एवरीडे कुछ ना कुछ होता है.
हाँ हमारे घर में कुछ ना कुछ रहता है. एवरीडे वी हैव सम प्रोग्राम.
हाँ. झांसी की रानी का लुक हो गया. It's over.
Done.
ठीक है.
Only 5 minutes we have to click the photographs and take the videos. 5 मिनट से 1 सेकंड ज्यादा नहीं मिलता हमें. और कभी कभी तो 1 मिनट ही मिलता है. 1 मिनट में जो करना है कर लो. हम तो उसके बाद तैयार नहीं होंगे.
ये अक्षय नारव ज्वाइन बैक नहीं किए.
क्या?
Everybody needs to send. It's photo. Everybody needs to send.
अच्छा, too fast speaker. थोड़ा स्लो बताओ. कैसे बताओ?
आस्ते से बोलो. स्लो.
Everybody need to give me इतना सारा videos in my.
Oh, she's telling.
Asking for the videos.
Your videos.
No,
No,
everyone's
everybody's
videos
good.
on mobile.
हाँ. And how did she sing Jana Gana Mana? My goodness, everybody is amazed.
She is singing from past 1 week, but हम लोग उसका एक वीडियो नहीं दे पा रहे थे. हम लोग के लिए आप अमेज हो जाए. हम लोगों ने वीडियो ले लिया इसका. हम लोगों के लिए हम लोगों ने बहुत बड़ा काम किया एक वीडियो लेके इसका.
It was so hard to make her stand at one place and sing.
हाँ. नहीं तो
हमने आधा
she'll
वो
join.
ड्रेसर कैसे थी फ्रॉक पहना उसके ऊपर पहना उसके ऊपर पहना. हमने हाफ फोटो लिया इसका.
हाँ नहीं ठीक है, इट्स वेरी नाइस। ये अक्षित एंड आरव ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहे हैं। अच्छा, लेट्स जस्ट होप दे ज्वाइन सून। I have a small presentation prepared for today. So we'll show the children some of the important things we need to understand during an Independence Day. Now the children are very small. At this age, for them to understand the concept of Independence Day is a little difficult. But we start the whole topic from now, then they understand the idea as they grow up. So this is our Independence Day. Yes, little Adya, we are celebrating Independence Day. Vidhi, happy Independence Day to you. Mukul, happy Independence Day. Kashvi, happy Independence Day. Kavin, happy Independence Day. Tanisha, happy Independence Day. Right?
Happy Independence Day.
So we all wave our national flag on this day. And when do we celebrate the Independence Day? We celebrate it every year on 15th of August. We celebrate it every year on 15th of August. And this year, this is the 74th Independence Day. Now what happens is, the celebration is 74th. This is the 73rd year of our independence. But the celebration is the 74th celebration. But we are celebrating 73rd year of independence. Now, okay. Who is going to lead us on Independence Day? Our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, is going to lead us. Narendra Modi, he is going to lead us on Independence Day. How is he going to lead us? He is going to hoist the national flag. He is going to hoist the national flag. Where is he going to hoist the national flag? He
Lal
will
Killa.
hoist it, yes, Lal Killa on Red Fort. So he has already done
Today we
it.
saw that, right?
Yes, it's already been shown. He has already done this. So today on TV, the live telecast has already happened. Please show the children. If you have not seen the live telecast, show the children the next recorded version. And this is the Red Fort. The Red Fort is in
Yeah, देखा ना हमने
Delhi.
आज मोदी के यहाँ पे झंडा लगा रहे थे. Remember?
कोई गया है Red Fort? Has anybody ever visited Red Fort? Have you ever seen Red Fort? This is the Red Fort in Delhi. Okay. When was independence started? It started on 15th of August 1947. So many years ago. Who was the first minister, prime minister who was leading the country on Independence Day? Pandit Nehru. And how many children are dressed up as Pandit Nehru today? Hai na? So many children are dressed up as Pandit Nehru. Akshit, Arav, Kavin, they are all dressed up as Pandit Nehru today. Right? You know something about Pandit Nehru? We celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. So on 14th of November, we will celebrate Children's Day because it is Chacha Nehru's birthday. Right? He is Chacha Nehru. When we celebrate his birthday, Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, we are going to see some of the important symbols of our country. Adu baby, are you ready to see? Vidu, where are you? Vidu, come back. Let's see the national symbols of our country. This is the first thing. Today, you are all celebrating Independence Day using the Tiranga, the national flag, the tricolor. There are 3 colors in the flag, and it is called the Tiranga. Right? Yes, everybody has a national flag in hand. Yes. Now let us see. You know this symbol? This is called the Ashok Stamp, and you'll see it everywhere. So this is our national emblem. Everywhere this symbol will be there. I will show you where all we see this symbol. Oh, who is this beautiful person? This is a peacock. And peacock is our national bird. The peacock is our national bird. Right? Now who is next? Oh, who is next? This is the national animal of our country. Yes, tiger, the national animal of our country, the tiger. है ना? What does the tiger growl? Ooh, he growls. Yes, the tiger. Oh. Now let us see who's next. What is the next thing? Oh, this is something really funny. Do you know what this is? Anybody knows? This is a dolphin. Now there are two kinds of dolphin. One dolphin who lives in the sea. Another dolphin who lives in river Ganga. So the national fish of our country is the Ganga dolphin. Okay. And a small short note, the snout of the sea dolphin is shorter and the river dolphin is longer. The snout of the dolphins are different. So you will see river dolphins, especially if you visit Sundarban. If you ever travel to Sundarban as a tourist, you will see dolphins in the water. They come to Uttar Pradesh Ganga. Next one. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy. Yes, Tanisha, the national fruit is mango. Very good. The national fruit is mango. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, but there is a national vegetable also. There is a national vegetable and it is the pumpkin. Pumpkin. It is the pumpkin is the national vegetable. Oh, and what else do we have? We have the national flower. And what is the national flower?
Lotus.
Yes, lotus. The national flower, lotus. So today you all are going to draw lotus. Yes, you can have lot of art activity with lotus and the national symbols. Look, what is this? What do you think this is? What is this? This is the banyan tree. Look at this tree. It's a very, very big tree. And can you see the roots hanging from the branches? See, the roots are hanging from the branches. This is the national tree of the country. Many parts of India, there are hundreds of years old of banyan trees, especially in the zoological garden. They are maintained very well. And which is the national river? Ganga is our national river. It is the longest river which runs through our country. Let's see. Now, UKG children are learning about money. So, what is our national currency called? It is called the rupee. And this is the symbol of the rupee. Yes, Kashvi, Tanisha? This is the symbol of the rupee. So you can show that the Ashok's thumb is present on the note, things like these you can show. The national symbol is printed on the rupee. This is our national currency. And we have a game. We have a game. And the game is? What is the name of this game? Hockey. Hockey. Yes, hockey is the name of this game. So our national game is hockey. There is also a talk going on that they will change the national game and make it kabaddi. But right now, it is hockey. The national game is hockey. Oh, a lot of stick action. All right, so be careful. So national instrument, it is the veena. The veena is our national instrument. It's a beautiful string instrument, beautiful sound. And we have a national song. We have a national song, the Vande Mataram. Hello. Hello, everybody. Can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, we can hear you.
And now we are going to sing the national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana. Who wrote the song Jana Gana Mana? Do you know? Ravindranath Tagore wrote the song Jana Gana Mana. And for his compositions, he is also a... This song is considered to be one of the most sung songs in the country. And a small tidbit, his composition Amar Sonar Bangla is also the national anthem of Bangladesh. So this ends the lesson for today. And I hope children have learned something from today's assembly. Yes, Adya Vidhi. Where is Vidhi? Kashvi, Tanisha, Arav, what did you learn from today's assembly? Do you want to say something more? Does anybody else want to say something more? Kashvi wants to say something. Let's listen to Kashvi.
Call me Gandhi ji.
हाँ, तुम बहुत cute गांधी लग रही हो.
Bapu, did you learn anything?
No, she's telling call me. She's telling call me Gandhi ji today. I am.
हाँ, आज सब लोग तुमको बापू ही बुलाएंगे. आज घर में दादा दादी and everybody. इनकी दादी ने कितना अच्छा ड्रामा में पार्टिसिपेट किया. It is a wonderful initiative. It was an excellent idea.
आप सारे नोट बंद कर
जैसे हम डेली का प्रेयर जैसे कराते हैं. Would you like to join in one of prayers like that? Namrata, are you getting late? Do you have any, because you want to go to Vidhi's house?
Oh, that's okay.
Huh? Just a
okay.
very, very short prayer as a protection. करे? बापू, prayer करोगी?
Ready? Say yes.
Yes.
Okay.
And please remember, the prayer that I do is mostly for the parents. Okay? So the children are sitting there, but you can for our parents, right? Shall we start? प्रियम जी, आज आप प्रेयर ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. नीलेश जी, आप भी आज प्रेयर ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. सुशील जी, ये लोग सब लोग वर्क फ्रॉम होम मोड में इतने बिजी रहते हैं. इज कविन्स फादर अराउंड? जयश्री, is Mr. Prem Kumar around? He can. Oh, he's there. Oh, hello. Haven't seen you in ages. Where have you been hiding yourself? Huh? Excellent time to do the prayer then.
Hi.
Hello. Say hi,
Hi, ma'am.
everybody. Hi. Say hi to everybody. This is Kavin father, Mr. Prem Kumar. Okay, Kavin. Hello. So join us in the prayer. All right. And just let yourself flow in the flow. Priyam ji. So shall I mute all participants? In case you have to say something, you can always unmute yourself and you say. Mute all participants. Let us join our hands. Close eyes. Take a deep breath. When you're breathing in, breathe by pressing your stomach so that the lungs are pressed and the breath goes out completely from your body. So the breathing should be press your abdomen tightly so that it pushes the lungs outwards and the breath completely releases from your body. One more technique I can teach you today is the Kechuri Mudra. The Kechuri Mudra is when you are doing any prayer or any activity which requires concentration. This is also something which we can teach our children. we connect the tongue to the palate. So if this is the palate, it's the roof of your mouth, your tongue will curl and touch the palate like this. Okay. Don't try to force the tongue too hard above. Just be gentle about it. Touch it to the top of your mouth, only to the level where it goes. And we will start the prayer. Imagine a point of light above your head, your crown. The light is glowing bright. It's a bright light. It's a golden light. It's a shining light. It is enveloping your entire body, your entire being, inside, outside. It is going through into all the internal parts of your body. This light is completely enveloping you. Allow this brilliant light to connect to the Supreme God, to the divine power. Now visualize this light passing through your body, passing gently down through your body, going through the soles of your feet, down, deep down to Mother Earth. The soul connection, which is connecting you to the divine being, to the Supreme God, is connecting you to Mother Earth. It is a channel. It is flushing out all the negative energies. It is flushing out all the negative emotions. It is flushing out all the negative thoughts. Any pain, any discomfort which you have, this divine healing light is flushing it out from your system, releasing it from the soles of your feet and sending it down to be flushed down to Mother Earth. Mother Earth, the life giver, she is absorbing all our problems. She is absorbing all our discomfort, all our illnesses. Now imagine that you are facing east and you can see the rising sun. The rising sun, which gives us the life energy, energy on earth, the energy to sustain all of us. Life on earth is possible because of the sun. Om Bhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonam Prachodayat. Om. Let us chant the Mahamrityunjay mantra as a protection for the family, protection against all diseases. Please take a deep breath. Om Triambakam Yajamahe सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मुक्तियमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मुक्तियमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धना मृत्योर्मुक्तियमामृतात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Now send this brilliant light which is enveloping yourself, your being, to your entire house. Send the healing energy. Send the energy to all your friends, relatives, your parents, your brothers, sisters, cousins, everyone that you know. Send the protection to all persons who is in your life. Let us wish, let us hope that all stay protected, all stay safe, and this deadly corona disease is disintegrated forever from earth. Send blessings down to Mother Earth. Bless Mother Earth, bless all the life, all the beings on Mother Earth to stay safe, to stay protected. Let us open our eyes with a big, big smile on our faces. How are you feeling, everybody?
It's very fresh, rejuvenated. Yes.
Today is also our pranic healer Master Choa Cox's birthday. So as the pranic healing community, we have Namrata, you can say it. Come on, unmute and say it. Deepak ji, boliye.
He was sleeping.
No, seriously, you made me like half sleep.
No,
I was so.
which means you sort of accepted the blessings.
Yes.
Yes, I mean,
Same thing, ma'am.
I just poked him like this. कि चलो start हो गया.
तो हम लोग in pranic healer हम this entire thing, हाँ.
वाला वीडियो करके भेज दीजिए, रात के 11 बजे हम देख के हम सो जाएंगे.
You can tell. You can share this with everybody. Deepak wants to share something.
no, actually, I really enjoyed a lot. I was like in some kind of divine feeling and like with so much of inner peace. I was lost somewhere. I don't know where.
Sleep.
These are meditation techniques. This is one of the techniques, visualization techniques. Many people use the visualization technique. Once you learn the visualization technique, I mean, it can be done in a deep depth. So this visualization technique, we are doing it regularly to hopefully to eradicate the coronavirus. As pranic healers, we are doing a lot of healing. I personally am not into healing so much. There are people who are doing regular healings. They are doing healings for coronavirus patients, and it is helping. Okay, but other than that, what I would like to say is, if you're interested, we could have weekend meditation sessions online. We could have a separate group for it, not mandatory. Whoever wants to join can be in that group, and we could do it like, see, to do a proper meditation, naturally children will have to be away from you. You'll have to be in a secluded. So maybe we could have 2 sessions. We could have one on Saturday, we could have one on Sunday. So
One for mama, one for papa.
yes, one for mama, one for papa. Whoever finds it easy, like you're free, whoever finds it easy, it will not be. So one person managing the babies, and one person doing the meditation. So we could have the meditation session done like that. I can create a WhatsApp group separately. And we could have, I think 8 p.m. is a good time. Do you think 8 p.m. is a good time?
just before dinner. It'll take, you should have about half an hour, not half an hour, 45 minutes, 50 minutes time in hand, you know. You should have like that in hand. I'll put out the link in the school group, and you can join Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday.
8 p.m.
One session can be on Saturday, 8 p.m. One session can be on Saturday, and one session can be on Sunday. Whoever finds it easy to join the Saturday session can join the Saturday. Who finds it easy to join the Sunday session can join the Sunday session. But that means that one person joining, the another person has to take care of the rest of the house. I know, Jayashri, this should be understood. Huh, Kavin, Papa, this should be understood. So it will not be a mandatory session. You can come in and join at any time. Even if there's one person joining, I'll be running the session. And it will be called Meditation of Twin Hearts. We'll do some exercises before that. We will do some breathing exercises. We'll purify ourselves and then do the meditation. So because it is
And this meeting is going to end in 1 minute.
Yes, it is going to end in 1 minute. So let us quickly stand up, and we are going to now sing the national anthem all together. Okay.